This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Brandy Copeland. Thoughtfully designed for modern living, this 4-bedroom home blends style, function, and low-maintenance ease. The open main level features LVP flooring and a cozy propane fireplace. The kitchen is finished with sleek flat panel cabinetry, charcoal quartz countertops, and upgraded appliances. Upstairs, bedrooms and a spacious bonus room offer flexibility for work, guests, or entertainment. Enjoy indoor-outdoor living with a covered back patio. EV charger in the garage. Built on a slab-on-grade foundation with quality finishes throughout, this conveniently located home is situated minutes from downtown Blaine, I-5, and the Canadian border. Preferred lender savings include a 1% lender credit plus a $5,000 seller credit. For more information, review the details below.